ACI or NSX. Both are powerful SDN platforms. Both offer excellent salaries. But in 2026, which one actually gives you better career growth? In this video, we'll compare ACI and NSX across architecture, use cases, automation, demand, salaries, and finally, which one you should learn. Let's break it down. Engineers often ask, ACI or NSX, which is better for my career? The answer depends on what you want to specialize in and the direction the industry is moving in 2026. Here's what we're comparing: architecture differences, real-world use cases, automation capabilities, skill demand in 2026, salary comparisons in India and UAE, and finally, my honest recommendation for your career. Cisco ACI is a hardware plus software SDN solution built on a leaf-spine fabric. APIC acts as the central controller. ACI controls the physical underlay and overlays through a fully policy-driven model. It's designed for large enterprise data centers with predictable, high-bandwidth traffic. VMware NSX is a completely software-defined networking solution. It runs directly inside ESXi hosts, integrates deeply with vSphere, and provides a distributed firewall built into the hypervisor. NSX focuses on virtual networks, overlays like VXLAN and Genevi, and microsegmentation. ACI controls both the physical fabric and the policy model. NSX controls only the virtual network inside the hypervisor. ACI is fabric first, NSX is virtualization first. This difference defines almost everything about how they are deployed. ACI is the preferred choice for large enterprise data centers, telecom environments, financial institutions, and industries that need strict segmentation and predictable east-west traffic performance. If the environment is heavy on physical servers, high throughput, or multi-tenancy, ACI dominates. NSX excels in environments where virtualization and cloud workloads dominate. It is ideal for microsegmentation, VMware-based private clouds, software-defined DR solutions, and environments where rapid workload mobility is required. If your data center is VMware-driven, NSX becomes extremely valuable. ACI has strong automation options. It offers a full REST API, native Python and Ansible libraries, Terraform support, and complete fabric automation from the underlay to the overlay. ACI automation is widely used in enterprise CI/CD pipelines as well as in brownfield migrations. NSX has an excellent automation ecosystem too. Because it integrates tightly with vSphere, it works naturally with DevOps workflows and cloud orchestration tools. It's extremely effective for rapidly deploying security policies and network overlays through API-driven workflows. In 2026, demand for ACI engineers continues to grow in large traditional data centers and service provider networks. NSX demand increases in cloud-driven and virtualization-heavy companies. But the highest demand and the highest salaries go to engineers who understand both ACI and NSX. In India, ACI engineers typically earn between 14 and 32 lakhs per year. NSX engineers earn between 12 and 28 lakhs. Hybrid skilled engineers, those who know both ACI and NSX, consistently land in the top salary brackets. In the UAE, ACI engineers earn between 19 and 38,000 dirhams monthly. NSX engineers average 17 to 34,000. Again, multi-domain engineers who work across SDN, cloud, and virtualization earn significantly more. Here's my recommendation. If you are a data center or routing engineer, learn ACI first. If you work with VMware, virtualization, or cloud, learn NSX first. But if your goal is maximum salary, career safety, and flexibility, then learn both. ACI gives you fabric-level expertise. NSX gives you virtualization-level mastery. Together, they make you a top 1% network engineer. To recap, ACI controls the physical and logical fabric. NSX controls the virtual network and distributed firewall. Both are powerful, both are in demand, and your ideal choice depends on your career direction. But in 2026, hybrid SDN skills dramatically boost your value. If this helped you choose your learning path, don't forget to subscribe. Download the ACI versus NSX comparison cheat sheet using the link below. Next video. What is ACI L3 Out explained for beginners? Thanks for watching the Tech Cult, powered by Delta Edge Networks.